Gehlot government gets a makeover in a mega cabinet rejig. 12 ministers, in fact 11 cabinet rank and 3 MOSs. 4 MOSs in fact have been sworn in into the Rajasthan government. Pilot loyalists Hemaram Chaudhary, Vishwendra Singh, Murari Lal Meena, Ramesh Meena and Brijendra Ola took oath as ministers in the Gehlot government. The expansion is being seen as a reconciliation between Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot camps. Earlier, Sachin Pilot said that there are no fractions in the Congress and all sections of the party will be working together. He also pitched that Congress will once again come to power in the 2023 Assembly polls. The cabinet expansion is being seen as a small victory for Sachin Pilot, who has led, in fact, an unsuccessful revolt against Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot since 2020. My colleague Devankar Vadhavan is now joining me live from Jaipur on this. Dev, finally the new look Ashok Gehlot government. Sachin Pilot, of course, expressed his satisfaction over the induction of the new faces into the cabinet, but there are still several voices who are not very happy. So does this mean that as far as the Congress is concerned, its troubles are over in its state unit of Rajasthan, or it could possibly continue?
Well, the discontentment is very much there. How long will that continue? Whether Ashok Gehlot, known as the Jadugar of politics in Rajasthan, will be able to placate these voices of simmering discontent or not is something which time can tell. But Pilot, for now, I can tell you, is satisfied to the extent that some of his loyalists have been accommodated. They have been given berths in Ashok Gehlot government. But the big question is whether Sachin Pilot will be staying in Rajasthan politics, or will he be taking on, a larger role, something like the Congress General Secretary, or perhaps even the Congress in charge for some of the states. That is the question which time and again Pilot has been asked, and clearly at the Raj Bhavan, I can tell you there is a lot of commotion out here, Paulomi. The ministers, the men from Sachin Pilot camp, from the independent camp, the BSP camp, who have been made, the ministers are leaving right now from the Raj Bhavan, and the commotion is, going to last for some time. The celebrations will ensue. These MLAs will be leaving for their constituencies, where they will be welcomed by their, the voter base, their support base. But going forward from here, when 2023 comes, the big question is going to be whether Sachin Pilot will be staying in Rajasthan, or will he be going away from here. I can tell you that some of the people who have been made the ministers, they are also, were expecting a larger role. I do have Ramlal Jat with me, who has been made the minister. Sir,
सर, पार्टी की परिस्थितियां समय के अनुसार पार्टी निर्णय करती है, उसी के अनुसार निर्णय हुआ। जब हम कांग्रेस के सच्चे सिपाही हैं, जब आलाकमान का आदेश हुआ तो मिला, तो हम पूरी उस एजेंडे पे काम करेंगे, सेवा करेंगे। और अच्छा जब भी मिला, अच्छा मिला।
रामलाल जी, आप मंत्री बन गए हैं, पर एक नाराजगी भी है कांग्रेस के एक धड़े में, जिनका मानना था कि उनको कैबिनेट में शामिल नहीं किया गया। साफिया जुबैर खान उनमें से एक है।
कोई धड़ा नहीं, आपने देखा होगा कि सारे सर्वसम्मति से निर्णय हुए हैं। अजय माकन साहब यहाँ पधारे हैं, उन्होंने बैठ के सबसे सर्वसम्मति से निर्णय करवाए। हमारे नेता को आला कमान, जो सोनिया गांधी जी पे सबका विश्वास है, राहुल जी, प्रियंका जी ने सब ने भूमिका निभाई। इस वजह से आज देखो आप, शांतिपूर्ण वातावरण में सारा सब कुछ अच्छा माहौल।
Follow me, there is also Rajendra Guda, who is an MLA from the BSP camp, and he has been made the minister. Also, will like to get in a word from him as well. He is one of the 6 members from the BSP who is expected to join in the government.
ये तो है,
सही है। और आपके तो जीजा भंवर सिंह भाटी साहब भी मंत्री,
वो मेरे बहनोई,
हाँ बहनोई हैं आपके। तो अब आपको दोबारा मंत्री पद जब दिया गया है, तो आप कैसा महसूस?
लोगों की सेवा करेंगे, गरीब लोगों की मदद करेंगे। राजस्थान में बेरोजगारी की जो समस्या है, उसका समाधान करने का मुख्यमंत्री से मिलकर प्रयास करेंगे।
कौन से महकमे की चाहत है?
कोई चाहत।
पहले आपने जिस महकमे में काम किया, क्या वो लेना चाहेंगे?
सीएम साहब, मुख्यमंत्री जी करेंगे।
जी, आपके जो बीएसपी के कुछ साथी हैं, आपको लग रहा है वो नाराज हैं?
नहीं, सच्ची।
3 लोग तो आज शपथ ग्रहण में आए ही नहीं।
नहीं, वो कोई बलवान पूर्णिया के कोई शादी थी, उसमें चले गए।
जी, बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है,
सब ठीक।
थैंक यू।
राजेंद्र जी, कांग्रेस का एक धड़ा नाराज हो गया है, जिसमें साफिया जुबैर खान से लेकर कई और लोग हैं, बाबूलाल बैरवा हैं, उनके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, वो मेरी जानकारी के हिसाब से कांग्रेस में ऐसी कोई नाराजगी नहीं है, छोटी मोटी बात होती है, और कांग्रेस में सोनिया जी का फैसला सब
सर,
मानते हैं।
अशोक गहलोत ने खुद आज बोला है कि धैर्य रखें, पेशेंस रखें, आप सभी को रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, तो साफ तौर पर उनको भी पता है कि कहीं ना कहीं नाराजगी कांग्रेस के अंदर पैदा हो चुकी है इसको लेकर आज।
नहीं, वो तो परिवार के मुखिया हैं, तो इस हिसाब से बोलते हैं।
थैंक यू
सर, इतना क्यों समय लग गया, इतना लंबा, कि कैबिनेट एक्सपेंशन में आप लोग लंबे समय से इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
ये हमने थोड़ी लेट किया है, जो जिन्होंने किया उनसे पूछो।
So clearly, follow me. There is several factions within the Congress, and also those independents who were expecting, perhaps more members of them to be accommodated in the cabinet or the entire government paraphernalia. That has not happened, and in times to tell it it will be seen whether the Congress is able to pacify and placate these men or not, and how
Right.
these things fall out. But for the time
Absolutely.
being,
It remains
seems
to be
that,
seen if the Congress is able to pacify and placate, like you said, some of the dissenting voices. They've stay on with us. Speaking of those dissenting voices, amid that cabinet reshuffle in Rajasthan, Congress MLA Shafia Zubair Khan has hit out at Priyanka Gandhi. Shafia said that Priyanka promised to give 40% tickets to women candidates in Uttar Pradesh for the Congress party, and only 10% of seats in fact have been allotted. 10% only in Gehlot's government. Shafia in fact said that the Congress's doublespeak has been exposed, and she's not even sure whether she will take part in the ceremony or not. This was earlier. Shafia asserted that she has communicated her dissatisfaction to the party's top brass, and also said that there are several capable people in the party who've been left out of the cabinet. Remember, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had announced distributing 40% tickets to women candidates in the upcoming assembly elections for the Congress party in Uttar Pradesh.
I'm not saying that I'm unhappy, but I'm not totally satisfied with this cabinet. Like Priyanka Gandhi is giving 40% tickets to women in UP, and we are passing that bill, women bill, for 33% reservation in assembly as well as parliament. Then we should get a 33% in cabinet also, which we are not getting. We have been reduced to 10%. I feel minorities have voted for the Congress party, you can say 100%. And the polling has been very high, because of which so many MLAs have won, and they are in the assembly now. So they should be given a proper representation.